Hello, kindergartners. I'm so excited for this science lesson today. We're going to be learning about wind and how it's a force that can push objects. In our last science lesson, we learned about magnets and different objects that can be pulled by magnets. Who can name an object that can be pulled by a magnet? Good job. So some things that can be pulled by a magnet in our classroom would be a paper clip or a pair of scissors. In today's science lesson, you're going to learn about the force that pushes objects. It's called wind. So we've all learned about wind, and we talked about it at the beginning of the year during morning meeting. We can't see wind, but we can see objects being moved by the wind, right? Wind can push objects like leaves on trees and makes the leaves move. Wind can move a flag, make a flag move too. So at school, our flagpole, where we have our flag, the wind, we can see it moving or pushing it. It can also push water and sand and make water and sand move. What is something you've seen wind move before? Those are all great ideas. Good job, guys. So today, sadly, it's not that windy outside, so I have a fan here that we are going to use as our wind, because we know wind pushes objects. It's the same thing as a fan. So let's see, I'm going to turn on the fan. It's right over here, and we're gonna see if it moves this water bottle. It's a plastic water bottle, it's empty. Let me turn it on. Okay. So did it move it? It's still going. Did we see that? Yes. So wind can move water bottles. So how light a water bottle is, it can move that. Now let's see if it can push a tissue. When I hold this up, watch. So I'm holding it with my fingers and I'm gonna let it go. Did the fan or wind push or move the tissue? Yes. Today in our lesson, we learned that wind can move objects. So I want you to brainstorm. You can use a fan at home, or if it's windy this week when you're working on this, then you can go outside and try different objects too to see if it will push objects. I've given you a little worksheet from our booklet. It says wind pushes objects. Wind is pushing a, and then write something that the wind can push and draw a picture. If it's not windy on this day, maybe think of things that aren't too heavy, or you can do my example, the tissue or the water bottle, and you can write that on there too. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.